BricsCAD is computer-aided design software for designers, engineers, construction, and manufacturing professionals. It's a cost-effective, unified 2D and 3D platform that delivers better value from day one. Built on the industry-standard DWG format, there's no need for file conversions. You can work freely with existing designs in a familiar and intuitive interface, making any transition smooth. BricsCAD is optimized for performance, delivering fast results even on large, complex files. And AI-driven tools help you design faster and smarter. Choose from multiple product levels, industry-specific tool sets, and hundreds of third-party applications. We offer subscription, perpetual, and network licensing options, all available at a fair price and with access to expert product support. Discover the true CAD alternative. Try BricsCAD today.